This is the J Mockneck by Velouria in the color wheat, and this is a cotton tencel spandex French terry knit. See that texture? Ooh, I love French terry. It has this really nice flow. It's really soft and it's pre-washed. I'm wearing a size medium in this video. I will do a video to show you how the small fits me as well. And I'm wearing a medium in the photos on the website for the black version. But in the medium, I have plenty of room at my bust and my hips and my shoulders. It's a drop sleeve, and the sleeves are, actually a touch long as well. But this is a pretty generous cut, very flexibly sized, and I like pulling up my sleeves to show some wrist, and you can also tuck it in if you want to sort of place your waist a little bit. But yeah, this has some great flow, and I'll show you the small next. And this is the J Mockneck in a size small on me. It comes up a little higher at the hip and is a little bit shorter in the sleeve, and I think also the neckline comes in a little bit more, which I like. I can still push up my sleeves and tuck it in a little bit. I think if I were bustier or wanted the length, I might choose the medium, but I think for how I am likely to wear it, I prefer the small.